Hello, I'm Colin Bradley. Welcome to Series 2 of Pastel Pencil Demonstrations. This series of 12 demonstrations will include many of the suggestions you've requested with your comments in Series 1. I've put together an interesting range of subjects that I know you'll enjoy, and at the same time you'll be broadening your range of techniques using the pastel pencils. Still keep your suggestions coming in, and I'll do my best to include them in the next series. Meanwhile, get your pencil sharpened and join me as we kick off Series 2. To start with the eye, put the white highlights in, then use the ivory pencil for the light surround. Go straight in with the dark pencil 177 and draw it over the graphic lines. I've rubbed some of those graphic lines out so they don't appear too strong, but you want to build this up like that. So in other words, you redraw the lines. You need a sharp pencil here. Okay, that's fine. Now fill in the pupil. Go round the light. Doesn't matter if you touch them, we're going to be putting them back in again with the white at the end. There you go, now that looks good. Now the 183 ochre can be put in on top of the ivory. Once again, skirt round the light in the eye. Okay, now we've got to make the pupils darker by using 175. And also with 175 go over the top of the lines. Now this time you can fill this in, but keep within the lines there, like that. Come down here and down there, and you'll see that our fox has got a very starey eye. Well, that won't last. I'll do the other one in a second. Let's just do this first. Now another colour which we use here is 182. And 182 can be used just to put a little bit more strength. In there. I won't do the other one. Let's do this one first. Now 177, come back with that, and that can be used to put the shadow in. You see how important it is to do this in sequence, otherwise you lose it. Now I have got a black as well, which we haven't used yet, but I'm going to now, because we need those pupils to be really dark. There you go. And also the black can be used on top of the 175. To make that just a little bit stronger. So that's 177, 175, and then finally black. But the black doesn't appear too harsh because you've got those undertones. Now that looks pretty good, but what will look even better is we come back in with the white then, like that, and pick up on the ochre 183 which you used to begin with, and just right at the very bottom, just a little spot of ivory. There you go. Super, isn't it? Now, around the outside edges, you'll find that you'll need to just pick up that just a little bit, because what happens is the dark pencils you used do tend to make this look a little fierce. So you need to just soften it a little like that. And that looks really nice now. And I would probably just suggest you use a little white here. We're not doing this second half at the moment. We're doing that on another demonstration, part 2. Now that makes that eye look really nice. So I'll complete the other one, then we'll have a look at it, and that will be the end of this demonstration. Well, there we are, folks. 2 eyes completed. Hope you've enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.